Hello everyone. Today I actually decided to do a little tutorial as far as knowing what's going on behind the scenes of lipstick filling. I had a customer that contacted us as far as packaging with stating that they received product possibly and bullets seemed like that they fell out when they received the package. This particular customer didn't see it on her own. She's relying basically on what her business partner is saying. So we asked for a submitted video, and while I'm waiting on that submitted video just to kind of see what could have possibly happened on the end of leaving from here, I just kind of want to do a little quick tutorial on what could possibly happen for a lipstick to come out of a tube. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to actually show a lipstick bullet that is created in the lipstick mode with pretty much not in a tube. So this is just a random lipstick bullet that we didn't use because it was kind of defective. So we just keep them around just for things of this nature, like to show a tutorial or something. So I'm going to actually take one of the tube. I'm going to do possibly this black and silver matted lipstick tube. So you notice how the tube has a scroll on it, basically. So you have to, scroll it up or scroll down. And it looks like that, or you scroll it back up. And if you notice, the tube has an instrument in it. That instrument is how the lipstick scrolls up. So they work together. Okay? Sorry for the mess, touching lipsticks. So then I come back over here with the bullet, right? Normally the bullet, with lipsticks, and we're creating it in a machine, and then with a regular lipstick mold, we all have this little round stopper. It's just like with a sink or a tub, you have an indicator when it's too much overfilled in it, or if the water's going to overflow. Consider this as your stoppage to let you know the water needs to drain out some, okay? So you take the lipstick bullet and you place it in. Now, normally when you're placing a lipstick bullet in, it's frozen. It's frozen solid. But Frost works very hard to make sure that our lipsticks are frozen solid, even when they are actually not frozen. That's a trade line secret, and I will not disclose. But however, you notice that you see that the lipstick now is in the tube correct, right? I don't care if I beat it, knock it, bang it. You see that? Doesn't go anywhere. Can knock it down. And notice how it scrolls back down like it's supposed to, right? So no matter how much I'm beating it, knocking it, even doing it this way, the lipstick does not come out, right? So let's scroll it back up. Still brand new as ever, right? Now, let me show you an incident that could happen for a lipstick to come out of its mold. Notice how I just yanks it out, right? Notice how that look. Notice how if I want to place it back in the lipstick tube, how easy it is. The only way a lot of times that these lipstick bullets get removed from an actual lipstick tube is by being able to just pull it out, depending on the company and how they mold their lipsticks. Okay? See that? Okay. Okay, everyone. So you just recently saw me do a tutorial with the lipstick tube, the black silver matted lipstick tube with a regular lipstick itself. bullet. So now I'm going to come back and do the absolutely same thing, but this time I'm going to do it with my other product that I have as a lipstick, which is the glitter lipsticks. So I'm going to just let you take a look at how that is. And once again, notice how I put no glitter in the part where the stoppage is supposed to be for me to indicate that the lipstick mold is, the lipstick bullet is actually in the mold correctly. Okay? So, I am going to do the same exact thing with the Diva tube. Okay? Press it down. Now, remind you, this is a test. This is not actually how the glitter is like encoded on it. It's more fuller. It's more in depth. This is just a sample just to show you how lipsticks go in the mold. This, once again, this is not a product review. This is a tube review of packaging. Okay? Notice how, once again, slamming, beating, and then roll it back up. Okay? Notice how this tube, this lipstick is not dropping out whatsoever. But however, when you go to the lipstick bullet and you go, so let's say I just want to test something just to see, right? You see how hard with these Diva tubes, because it's a suckage in it. The only way it comes out is if it's pulled out, because it's a suckage in there. Do you see that suckage? Diva tubes are the best because they are so compressed. If you notice how difficult it was for me to even pull out the bullet, you will see exactly what I'm talking about. Okay? There's no possible way, unless someone is just curious to see what is underneath that tube, right? This is why Diva tubes are the top selling lipstick tubes, because they provide a suckage. Once again, this tutorial is not to talk about any customers, make them feel any kind of way. This is, I always feel like when there's a problem, there should be a solution. And the solution is always real live video footage to be able to see it for yourself, feel it, understand it, and view it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.